This is my video bike check. I will start up front where I have Sunday Triumph bars, Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips, Odyssey power ends, an elementary V3 stem, down through an Odyssey headset, the Sunday Morning 2.1 forks, a G-Sport Marmoset hub, Odyssey spokes, a hazard light, and an Aiken K-Light tire up front. My frame is a Sunday second wave with 20.75 top tube with an Odyssey bottom bracket, two Twan bolts, they're 175 left-hand drive with twisted PCs, a 30-tooth Odyssey Vermont sprocket, Shadow interlock 2 chain, 10-tooth G-Sport ratchet with Odyssey spokes, hazard light rim, and an Aiken K-Light tire. On my seat, I have an Odyssey Aaron Ross veteran saddle, intact seat post, and the Mr. Clampy 2. For my brake setup, I have an Odyssey monolever with an Odyssey linear slick cable down to Evo 2s. And that is my video bike check.